Hi there, Mackenzie. Just want to share a couple of facts and features about this little fountain, see if it'd be for you. Super cute little detail on there, has a little squirrel and then the mushroom. It is fairly lightweight as well, and it's actually 2 pieces, so this comes up as long as you don't have the rocks on there. So just fill the bottom with the water. Had a really simple instructions, literally just a couple steps to be able to put it together. And then actually has a cute little light on there as well, so it's kind of a nice thing to have on the counter. That way at night, come out, get a drink of water, doing something like that, has like a little bit of light. But yeah, just plug in, sucks up from the bottom, and then pours down the little mushrooms there. But is so cute, nice little counter decoration, doesn't take up too much space or anything like that, and it's fairly quiet as well, just has like a nice soft hum to it. But yeah, you can kind of move the rocks and things around, comes with it, put them in there or not, but super cute.